Federal judge restored bond hearings for thousands of immigrants. What I could tell you that the federal judge has ruled that immigrants who were previously denied the chance to request a bond hearing, even long-time U.S. residents who enter without inspection, must now be given access to bond hearings nationwide. We can say this is a huge news considering there was a BIA decision several months ago where it actually stopped people who, doesn't matter when they enter, how long ago they enter, whoever entered through the border without an inspection were not qualified to get bond from the immigration judges. So this is huge to get from the federal judge decision allowing actually people to be able to request bond hearing from the immigration judge during their detention. It's a great news and we hope that it will continue. I would like to explain what happened to our followers first. U.S. District Court Judge Sunshine Sykes issued a nationwide ruling overturning a 2025 DHS ICE policy that automatically denied bond hearings to many immigrants arrested in the U.S. Under this ruling, immigrants detained inside the country, not at a border, who have no disqualifying criminal history and who were labeled applicants for admission must now be allowed to request a bond hearing before an immigration judge. This decision impacts thousands of people nationwide. So why did the court make this ruling? The judge found that the government's recent shift, treating nearly all non-citizens as a mandatory detention cases, violated due process. The policy has blocked immigrants from even asking an immigration judge for release, regardless of family ties, community support, health needs, or how long they have lived in the U.S. The court ruled that this blanket denial was unlawful. So who benefits from this ruling now? The following groups now regain access to bond hearing. Long-time U.S. residents who entered without an inspection, individuals arrested far from the border, immigrants with no criminal convictions, detainees who have been held for months under mandatory detention. This does not guarantee release, but it guarantees the opportunity to ask for release. Of course, there are some limitations, such as immigrants with certain criminal convictions remain ineligible for the bonds. People in expedited removal or certain border-related processes still cannot request a bond. ICE may appeal the ruling, which could delay or modify the scope. But for now, this is a nationwide restoration of rights previously taken away. And this ruling is one of the, we can say, is important checks on enforcement power for this year. We can say it restores judicial oversight and ensures that people are not detained indefinitely without individualized review. So for many families, this means hope and a chance for their loved ones to be released while their immigration cases are ongoing. So I hope this news helped our followers, and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. Stay informed. This is attorney Ogmen.